Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Bennie Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. I also go by the Forex Pastor. I want to do a quick video because one of the awesome viewers responded to the video about adding the TDI indicator to the MetaTrader 4 video that I did. And so I just want to show you guys that it can be done on MetaTrader 5. So I just showing you guys that this is MetaTrader 5. I just freshly downloaded it. And just really quickly, I'm going to show you guys how to get your TDI indicator on MetaTrader 5 mobile version. All right. And so we're going to hit the function. Just like in the other video, we hit the function button. All right, and we're gonna look for our RSI, which is the relative strength index. All right, we're gonna set the period to 13, okay? And we're gonna apply to close, all right? And we're going to make the, that's the line color. We are going to make the background color. All right, the color of our chart, and in this case it is white. All right, and we'll just back out of there, and we actually don't want a line, so I'm going to make that white, and I'm going to hit done. Okay, there's the RSI. All right, and next we're going to go on to our moving averages. So we're going to tap the screen, hit the functions button, and we're going to add it to the indicator window where the relative strength index is, and this moving average, let's go ahead and get that on here. The period is going to be set to 2, okay, and the method is going to be simple. All right, we're going to apply this to the previous indicators data, okay, and we're going to make this color to be green, any color green you want. All right, and I'm just gonna make this 2 pixels, okay, and we're gonna hit done. All right, and now we have that moving average, and so let's go ahead and hit our functions button again, indicator window 1. We're gonna add another moving average, and this moving average period is going to be 7. All right, it's going to be simple, and we're going to apply this to the previous data, the previous indicators data as well, and we're going to make this color red. Okay, and we're going to hit done, and there we are there. And we're going to hit function and add a function to the indicator window, and we're going to do Bollinger Bands this time, and it's going to be right here. All right, and so with the Bollinger Band, we are going to set the period to 34. Okay, the deviation, of course, is 1.618. We're going to make this blue. Okay, and we're going to apply this to the first indicator's data, and we're going to hit done. So there's our Bollinger Bands. All right, and we have one more. All right, we need to add another moving average. All right, and this is let's see, moving average, and this period is going to be excuse me, 34, and the method is simple, and we're going to apply this to the first. We're going to scroll down and apply this to the first indicator's data. All right, we're going to make this yellow. Okay, we're going to hit done. All right, and so there you have it, your own TDI indicator at the bottom of your chart for MetaTrader 5. And again, just to give you guys just a general overview of how you can use this, I'll go here. Let's see, let's find a really good one there, right here. If you look down towards the TDI down here, you're gonna wait for the green price line. All right, that green line, I call that the price line because that matches heavily with price action up here. Okay, you're gonna wait for the green price line, to go outside of the Bollinger Band and kind of make this little hook. Excuse me. And that's considered a shark fin out of the water. Okay, and once it dips back in, and it crosses over the red momentum, that's what I call the red line, the red momentum line, that's considered blood in the water. The shark is going back into the water, it's going back in the blue Bollinger Bands and crossing over the red momentum line. Okay, and after it does that, you just want to come back up here and just be patient and wait for price action. All right, it's very good for you guys to know how to read price action and know exactly when to get in. But that's essentially what you want to wait on, price action, because you have your signal again, shark fin out of the water, blood in the water. Now let's go up here and wait for price action. All right, and so basically you have a area here, a zone here that is being rejected, all right, by this bearish candle. Okay, and then also you have this the next bearish candle taking out this zone, right, this zone. So that's a good price action from there. And so from here you will enter here and ride that down and still be in profit right now. So that is how you easily add the RSI to the MetaTrader 5 mobile app, and that's just a brief way of using the TDI indicator. So as always, guys, if you would like a more in-depth tutorial and receive more in-depth knowledge on how you can use the TDI indicator to really benefit your trading, then I encourage you to head over to the teachmetofishfx.com and sign up on either the pro trader level or the market beater trader level, and get access to the training that we have for our community members. All right, guys, as always, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. And I really hope this helps. So just comment and let me know if it does or if it doesn't. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye-bye.